Hello, medic divers. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating things in your body, blood. Blood isn't just a red liquid flowing through your veins. It's like a delivery system, a communication network, and a cleanup crew. Imagine your body is a big city. Just like a city has roads, vehicles, and workers to keep everything running, your body has blood. Blood travels through a vast network of roads called blood vessels to reach every single cell in your body. Blood is like your body's delivery service, constantly on the move. It picks up oxygen from your lungs and delivers it to your cells so they can produce energy. At the same time, it carries nutrients like vitamins and glucose from your digestive system to different parts of the body to keep them nourished. Blood also acts as a messenger, transporting hormones that control important functions like growth and energy use. Additionally, it works as a cleanup crew by collecting waste like carbon dioxide and urea from the cells and taking them to the lungs and kidneys for removal. It's an incredible multitasker that keeps your body running smoothly. So now, I will classify blood into its two main components, cells and plasma. In the previous lecture, I mentioned nephrons. They filter plasma, not cells. I will explain the reason for this later. You don't need to memorize this entire classification. Just remember the key points. Blood is made up of 45% cells and 55% plasma, and 90% of plasma is water. Let's take an example. In 1,000 milliliters of blood, 450 milliliters consists of cells, and 550 milliliters is plasma. Out of this plasma, 90% is water. So, 90% of 550 milliliters equals 495 milliliters. This means that nearly half of our blood is water, which is quite interesting. Now, let's focus on plasma, because our kidneys filter plasma. Plasma is made up of 90% water, while the remaining 10% consists of gases, hormones, waste products, electrolytes, and nutrients. You can see this yellow round circle which represents the plasma. Inside the plasma, there are 10 smaller colorful circles. These colorful circles represent the various components of plasma apart from water, such as gases, nutrients, waste materials, and other substances. Now, please watch the video carefully to understand this concept better. In this video, you can see the woman sweating because the weather is hot and she has done some exercise. So, what is happening to her body during this time? The answer is simple. During sweating, the water level in her body decreases, along with the loss of electrolytes, such as ions like sodium, potassium, and chloride. You can see on the screen that during sweating, the water level in plasma decreases. For example, the water level in plasma may drop from 90% to 60%. Now, the question is, how can she restore the 90% water level in her plasma? Imagine yourself in this situation and think about what you would do. She has several options, such as drinking water, which directly increase the water level in her plasma; sitting in an air-conditioned room, which reduces sweating and helps conserve water in her body. Both options help maintain the water balance in her plasma. Now you can see that the water level increases after drinking water. This example helps you understand why water is so important for our body. If the water level in the body becomes too low, it can lead to dehydration, loss of water from the body, and your body will not function properly. Drinking water and sitting in an air-conditioned room are simple solutions, so simple that even a child can do them. But now, let me take you to a dangerous situation. After hearing this example, You'll be amazed at how much your body works to protect you, even in the most extreme conditions. Let me tell you a concept that when blood enters the nephron, only the plasma is filtered into the nephron. Cells, such as red blood cells and large proteins, are too big to pass through the filtration barrier and remain in the blood. This filtered plasma, now called filtrate, contains waste products like urea and excess substances like water, salts, and glucose. Imagine you are lost in a desert. You know very well that in a desert, there are no shops to buy a water bottle and no air-conditioned room to relax. So, who will help you maintain the water level in your plasma? Your boyfriend or girlfriend? The answer is no one. In such extreme conditions, your kidneys will come to your rescue. Let me explain how your kidneys help you in this situation. So, please listen carefully. In this condition, your brain sends a signal to your kidneys to conserve water. On the screen, you can see plasma on the left side and filtrate on the right side. The water level in the plasma is 60%, which is low. To increase the water level in the plasma, the kidneys reabsorb water from the filtrate and send it back to the plasma. Notice the size of the filtrate drop. It is big, but after reabsorption, as water is transferred back to the plasma, the volume of filtrate decreases. It's like using something seemingly useless during emergency to save the day. Isn't that incredible? Thanks for watching this video. Please give your valuable feedback, and if you have any question related to this video, feel free to ask in comment section.